Hello again, 7-3. You are done with the reproductive system. Nice job. And we are moving on to the circulatory system this week. The circulatory system, aka the cardiovascular system, aka the vascular system, is a complex network of organs and blood vessels that act as both a delivery service and a waste removal system for the body. Nutrients, oxygen, and hormones are delivered to every single cell. And as those necessities are provided, waste products from the cell are removed. And remember our old friend from the excretory system, the kidney. You'll see the kidneys right here because they are involved in removing waste from the blood. And the circulatory system is all about the blood. But the star of the circulatory system is the human heart. So let's look at an anatomically correct vision of the human heart right here. Wait a second, that's not right. Let me show you what a heart really looks like. That's not right either. Actually, I did some research because I couldn't give up a social studies crossover opportunity. The ancient Egyptians actually thought that our emotions and our thoughts and our personalities and our memory all came from our heart. And I wonder if it's because you can actually feel your heart working and moving, like when you get nervous, your heart beats faster. When you're sleeping, your heart slows down. We know now that all that stuff comes from the brain, but they thought so much came from your heart. And then in the Middle Ages, the heart started to be represented as kind of like this weird blobby shape in 1344. This guy right here is portrayed as giving his heart to this lady over here, and boy, do they look so happy and in love. Not so much. Here's what a heart really looks like. If I can get my slideshow to work. Yes, here we go. The real human heart is, for kids, it's about the size of one fist, but for adults, it's about the size of two fists. So for you guys, maybe a fist and a half, since you're a little bit between kid and adult. I'm not sure, but your heart is a muscle. It works really, really hard to pump. If you can picture squeezing a tennis ball and how hard you have to work to squeeze a tennis ball, every time your heart beats, it's working as a muscle with that much force to pump all that blood through your body to get oxygenated blood into to all those cells and deliver all those nutrients and remove the waste. It's an incredible muscle. In fact, let's do some 10-second trivia, just like Carla Zeus. Here we go. 10-second trivia. The aorta, right? Oh no, the animation's not working. The aorta right here is the largest artery in our body. It's about the same width as a ballpoint pen, a plastic straw, a garden hose, or a fire hose. What is it? Time's up. It is the aorta. The largest artery in our body is about the same width as a garden hose. Nice job if you guessed that correctly. That is a huge artery right in your heart. Incredible. Then again, we already know about the tennis court size surface area of our small intestine. So we have some pretty incredible stuff going on in our bodies. One note about one of the exciting labs that we planned for this year, it was the sheep heart dissection. Many of your families generously donated hearts for us to use, and I want you to know that they will not be going to waste. The plan right now is that we are going to do this dissection shortly after the start of the next school year. We have already spoken to the 8th grade team of science teachers, and they are just as excited as us to help with the dissection. So more details to come, but just know that we are doing the dissection. You'll just be an 8th grader rather than a 7th grader, and it's an experience you won't soon forget. I can't wait to do that with you and see all your smiling faces or grossed out faces, depending. Anyway, you can contact me anytime via Remind or email, and I'm also live every Friday from 2 to 3 p.m. And the nickname for that Google Meet is Larson Science. Let me know if you have any questions, guys, and I hope you enjoy this week. Bye.